Hey guys, welcome back to the SMRT Algo YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to go over the long-awaited update for the SMRT Algo Pro version 3. I'm going to walk you through over what's changed, the new features, and how you can use it in your trading. This is going to be a very short video, but without further ado, let's get right into it. So on my chart right now, I have the SMRT Algo Pro V3 on ZAL USD or gold on the 1 hour time frame, and what you see on the screen right now is all the new features that we've added to the indicator. I've just reset the indicator, so this is exactly what you'll see when you apply the indicator to your chart. Now, the first thing that's changed are the buy and sell signals. We've completely overhauled the buy and sell signals using a new strategy that we've improved based on the V2. And this new strategy uses normal candlesticks, but of course, you are free to use the Heiken Ashley candlesticks if you so choose. The new signals are a lot more accurate than the previous V2 signals. And if we go into the settings tab here, you'll see that you can change the signal sensitivity from 1 to 15. Previously with the V2, the sensitivity was less customizable. For example, it was with low, medium, and high sensitivity. Now we're using values of 1 to 15. The lower the value is, the more signals you get, and the higher the sensitivity is, the less signals you'll get. For example, if I change this to 10, you'll see right away what I mean. So you can see that we have very few signals in the span of 140 days. We only had 3 signals on the 1 hour time frame. However, if you took this buy and you held, this would have been a major play. Let's use a lower sensitivity such as 5. And we have a lot more signals, and this buy trade has popped up a lot earlier. I'm going to reset the sensitivity to 2. And what you also notice is that we have these sell plus and buy plus signals. What these plus signals mean is basically that when you see a plus, it basically means that it's a strong buy or strong sell. Now, of course, just because a signal is printed with a plus does not mean that it will definitely win, because in trading, nothing is guaranteed, nothing is for certain until after it has happened. So just because you see a signal with a plus on it doesn't mean that you can't go all in, but it's meant to be used as an extra layer of confirmation for your entries. Now, the next thing that I want to go over is the new take profit features. If you take a look over here, we have a sell trade, and you notice that we have a new visual for our traditional take profit labels. We have completely overhauled how they look, as well as how the labels look on the chart. If I open the settings tab and scroll down to the TP stop loss, we will now show the take profits by default, and we are using a new hybrid mode. Now, what this hybrid mode is basically we are combining both the traditional and the minimal modes. Now, what the minimal mode shows is that it will hide the take profit lines, because some of you guys may not enjoy having such an intrusive feature or visual on your chart, and instead it will show these take profits or TPs as dots on the candles where the take profit has been hit. This is much less intrusive than the traditional take profit feature, but if you want to have both on your chart at the same time, you can choose hybrid mode. One thing that I'd like to add is that we've re-optimized the code so that it takes a lot less time for the indicator to load in the charts. What happened previously was that the indicator was taking up too much memory on TradingView, but now we've optimized it so that it takes up less memory. What results is a faster indicator, faster loading times when you attach it to your chart. Now, next up, we have the trend ribbons. So when we look at the trend ribbon, we have to first examine the power moving average. The power MA moves closely with price, but the trend ribbon moves more with the overall trend. If I zoom out, you can see that the trend ribbon is less affected by price. And you can see that even though we had a sell trade here, if we were to take our criteria, our entry criteria based on the trend ribbon, and it's blue and price is above the trend ribbon, we might not have taken this sell. Whereas here we have a buy plus signal, a strong buy signal, and we have a blue trend ribbon and price is above the trend ribbon, then we might look to enter this trade with a bit more confirmation. Now let's move on to the final feature of this update, which is the retest zones. The zones marked by this indicator are likely to be an area of dynamic support or resistance. This is great for traders who trade break and retest strategies. I'll show you an example here. You can re-enter or enter trades with a higher confirmation with these zones. So here we have a buy signal. We might not enter at the first buy signal because it's a bit risky. Instead, wait for price to retest one of our retest zones. And as a matter of fact, if we just waited for a bit, price actually retested the retest zone here. And all we need to do is wait for price to look for either a break of structure or some bullish momentum, which we received here. And we can enter our trade like so. I'll show you some more examples. We have a buy trade here. We have a buy signal. We might not enter in the first signal here. We would first want to wait for the retest zone to turn blue for bullish. Now price has come and retest this zone, but then we want to wait for some bullish momentum, which we received here. Now that we have some bullish momentum, we would enter the trade, place our stop loss just under the low, and you can aim for whatever take profit target you want. Same for the sell trade. We have a sell signal here. You could have entered at the candle close or wait for price to retest the retest zone. Here we have some more bearish momentum coming in. We can enter a short here, place our stop loss. I would put it just above the high of the retest zone just in case, and then boom, TP2. So that's pretty much it for this update. A couple new features, a couple of quality of life improvements, and a new signal system overhaul. I can't wait for you guys to try the new SMRT Algo Pro V3. As always, if you guys don't have access yet or want to learn more about SMRT Algo and what we do, visit the first link in the description below and it'll bring you to our website. And if you guys found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more trading videos.